What's going on, guys? This weekend we're back home in upstate New York. We're here for a wedding, but we decided to get up at 6:30 this morning. We're at Taughannock State Park in New York right now. We're kind of skipping around some of the waterfalls here in the Finger Lakes. There's some beautiful fall color. It's not quite peak time yet, but this is the only time we're going to get home, so enjoy. Alright guys, well that's it for Taughannock State Park. Next up, we're going to Watkins Glen. Then after that, we're going to some hidden waterfalls that I absolutely love here. Well, we thought we got to Watkins Glen early enough. It turns out we did not. It is super crowded here. This is going to end up being a pretty short video, but the fall colors look pretty nice here in upstate New York, so at least it's a nice video. So what also sucks right now is the first section of the Gorge Trail is actually closed. As you can see, there are a lot of people down there still, but they make you go up this way, and you got to go up along the ridge, if I can get my camera right, and into the gorge. So now that we're done here, we're going to head to Eagle Cliff Falls at Taughannock Glen. Hopefully I'm going to throw the drone up, and then that's it. That's the last waterfall we're going to. well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed some of these fall scenes of upstate New York waterfalls. Until next time, adventure on.